Mike with Acme Concrete Raising and Repair. Today, we're in Crystal Lake at Mistwood subdivision, and we're raising concrete at about a half a dozen locations. We're raising porches, we're fixing uneven sidewalks, and raising steps to correct step height. And you know, sometimes we're asked, does weather affect our operation? And the answer is simply yes, of course it does. We use power tools, so rain is obviously a bad thing since water and electricity typically do not mix well. And cold can affect our operation as well. If the concrete freezes to the ground and we try to raise it, well, we run the risk of snapping the concrete, cracking it. But you know what? A little bit of snow, you know, some cold really generally doesn't bother us. It may slow us down some, but today, you know, we started out, it was about 20 degrees this morning. You know, we're getting up close to 40, and this little bit of snow isn't bothering us. So again, we're here at Mistwood in Crystal Lake, and we're going to show you a few time-lapse videos of some of the work that we're doing here today. Thanks for watching.